Good morning, Class 5-3. Mr. Waterman here with our Language Arts lesson in Period 4 on Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. Let's continue. So last week, we left off on pages 210 and 211 of our workbook. We're reading the story, The Art Lesson. Okay? We were using the words woman, fair, and gold to complete the sentences. Now we did the first three together to write the correct word after its meaning. For the second part, we had to use the words in the box to complete the sentences. Then we had to answer the questions. Let's go and review. Pat and Judy entered a painting contest. Pat's painting was selected as the winner. A woman WOMAN from the art gallery gave Pat a gold, GOLD, medal. Both Pat and Judy worked hard on their paintings. Do you think it is fair, FAIR, that only one girl received a gold medal? Tell why or why not on the line below. Do you think it's fair? Well, Mr. Waterman thinks so. Yes. I think it's fair because only one person can receive a gold medal. Right? So, I also think Judy may win a gold medal next time. There we go. Okay. So, of course, your answer down here may be different than mine, but most importantly, once you have checked all of your answers here at the top, then let's go to page 211. Now on this page, we were using the vocabulary words from the story to complete the sentences below. We did the first three together. So the title was Mickey the Painter. Please listen and read along. Mickey the Painter. Mickey loves to draw pictures. He uses different kinds of art materials. Sometimes he uses chalk, and sometimes he uses crayons. Mostly he uses paint powders mixed with water. Mickey finds time to blank drawing every day. Practice. So, PRACTICE. Mickey finds time to practice drawing every day. He used to blank pictures that other people had made. He used to copy, COPY, pictures that other people had made. Now he draws his own pictures. He always wears a smock, SMOCK, when he paints. He doesn't want to ruin, RUIN, ruin his clothes by getting paint on them. And here are your answers for page 211. When you have checked your answers, let's move on to page 212. Okay? Now, this title is What the Author Thinks. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my textbook because we have text page numbers. You have a copy of the story that you were able to download. So you can follow along in your downloaded copy, and I'm going to use my textbook. Okay? So this helps us to organize facts from the story. Okay? We have two columns. It says what the author says and what the author probably thinks. So first, we need to go to page 353. It says Tommy drew blank everywhere he went. So I turn in my textbook to page 353. Let's look. Tommy knew he wanted to be an artist when he grew up. He drew pictures everywhere he went. So that's the word I'm looking for, pictures. PICTURES. Now we need to go to page 359. Tommy drew pictures on his blank. As I turn to page 359, let's read the page again. Once, Tommy took a flashlight and a pencil under the covers and drew pictures on his sheets. But when his mom changed the sheets on Monday and found them, she said, "No more drawing on the sheets, Tommy." So we know that Tommy drew pictures on his sheets. SHEETS. Here we go. Now, this question says, what does the author think about drawing? Well, we know that the author of this story is also the illustrator, right? This story is about Tommy DePaula. So, what does the author think about drawing? I think it is safe to say that Tommy DePaula knew he wanted to be an artist when he grew up. It was his favorite thing to do, right? I'm going to write the author thinks that drawing pictures is wonderful and fun. Okay. So now I've shown you how to do the first set. You have 2 more sets to do. For set 2, it says to use page 362. In kindergarten, the blank didn't stick to the paper. On page 363, in the wind, the paint blew off the blank. The question is, what does the author think about painting in kindergarten? For set 3, which is the last set, we need to use page 368 to find out Tommy wanted to use his own 64 blank. Then, on page 373, Tommy told the art teacher, real artists don't blank. What does the author think about real artists? Let's have a look at page 362 and 363. You can probably find the answers as we're reading together. Page 362. It wasn't much fun. The paint was awful, and the paper got all wrinkly. Miss Bird made the paint by pouring different colored powders into different jars and mixing them with water. The paint didn't stick to the paper very well, and it cracked. Page 363. If it was windy when Tommy carried his pitcher home, the paint blew right off the paper. At least you get more than 1 piece of paper in kindergarten, his brother Joe said. When the art teacher comes, you only get 1 piece. Now, as we go to page 368, on Monday, Tommy brought his 64 crayons to school. Miss Landers was not pleased. Everyone must use the same crayons, she said. School crayons! School crayons had only the same old 8 colors. As Miss Landers passed them out to the class, she said, "These crayons are school property, so do not break them, peel off the paper, or wear down the points." Finally, we go to page 373. Copy? Copy? Tommy knew that real artists didn't copy. This was terrible. This was supposed to be a real art lesson. He folded his arms and just sat there. Now what's the matter? Miss Landers asked. Tommy looked past her and spoke right to Mrs. Bowers. I'm going to be an artist when I grow up. And my cousins told me that real artists don't copy. And besides, Miss Landers won't me use my own 64 Crayola crayons. As we've read all of the pages, you should have been able to have found all of the answers very easily. Don't forget to answer these questions as well. Well, Class 5-3, that takes care of our lesson in Period 4 today. I hope you all have a great day studying, and please remember, you can email Mr. Waterman at any time if you have any questions about any of the activities. Take care, stay safe and well, and I hope to see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.